Nissan has just launched the Magnite Kuro Edition, a special black edition of its popular compact SUV. It's priced between 8.31 lakh rupees and 10.87 lakh rupees, and it's based on the N-Connecta variant. That means it sits just below the top-end Tecna and Tecna Jour models. The Kuro Edition is all about black. You get a black body, black grille, black alloy wheels, and even black roof rails and door handles. The LED headlights have a cool black tint and now come with sequential turn indicators. You can choose between two engines, a 1.0-liter petrol and a 1.0-liter turbo-petrol. Both come with manual and automatic gearbox options. Inside, the Kuro Edition gets a blacked-out cabin with stylish touches on the dashboard, steering, and gear lever. Plus, it adds a wireless charger and a dashcam, features you won't find in the regular N-Connecta variant. Now, it's not the top spec model, so you do miss out on a few things like cruise control, fog lamps, and a 360-degree camera. Bookings are open now for just 11,000 rupees, so if you're looking for a stylish SUV with great features and a bold look, the Magnite Kuro might be the one. Please like and subscribe for more updates.